Welcome to Retro Rides Review, your ultimate destination for in-depth automotive content, where we bring you the latest, most detailed reviews of the world's most exciting rides. Today, we are taking a close look at the all-new 2026 Mazda Motor Home, a bold leap by Mazda into the recreational vehicle market that blends their signature sporty design language with practical living mobility. This new entry from Mazda isn't just about travel, it's about redefining how we experience the road with comfort, efficiency, and style. The 2026 Mazda Motor Home builds upon the brand's long-standing reputation for innovation and design. At first glance, the sleek lines and sculpted bodywork remind you of a luxury SUV more than a traditional motorhome. The front end features Mazda's iconic Kodo design philosophy with a wide stance, sharp LED headlights, and an aerodynamic grille that gives it a modern and futuristic presence. It rides on 20-inch alloy wheels that complement its elevated chassis, optimized not just for on-road cruising but also for light off-road adventures, perfect for weekend warriors and full-time travelers alike. Step inside and you're greeted with a warm, contemporary interior space that feels more like a high-end condo on wheels. The use of natural materials, soft touch surfaces, and ambient lighting creates an environment of relaxation and sophistication. The living space is cleverly designed to maximize room without sacrificing functionality. A compact yet highly efficient kitchen area comes fully equipped with an induction cooktop, convection microwave, smart refrigerator, and a fold-away countertop extension. It's made for those who love to cook even while parked in the wilderness. Opposite the kitchen is a cozy convertible lounge area that transitions from a daytime seating space with a digital entertainment center to a nighttime sleeping zone. High-density memory foam cushions ensure comfort during extended use. The rear of the cabin houses a fully enclosed wet bath with a water-saving smart shower system and composting toilet, a nod to both eco-conscious living and self-contained travel needs. Overhead storage cabinets, under-bed compartments, and slide-out drawers provide ample space for essentials, gear, and travel supplies, keeping everything organized and within easy reach. Technologically, the 2026 Mazda Motor Home is loaded with smart integrations. A central touchscreen control hub allows users to manage lighting, temperature, water levels, and security with ease. It also supports voice commands and remote smartphone access. Solar panels on the roof feed into a lithium-ion battery bank, enabling off-grid camping with confidence. A hybrid powertrain featuring Mazda's latest Skyactiv-X engine paired with an electric motor gives the motorhome excellent fuel economy, reduced emissions, and a silent electric drive mode for urban or late-night campground entries. Driving this motorhome feels nothing like the bulky RVs of the past. Mazda's engineers have infused it with G-vectoring control and enhanced suspension tuning to deliver smoother handling and responsive steering. The adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree camera system ensure maximum safety during long drives or tight maneuvering situations. It's built for comfort not just when parked but even more so while in motion. Another standout feature is the climate-adaptive insulation and dual-zone air conditioning system, ensuring that the interior remains comfortable in both hot and cold climates. Noise insulation has been carefully implemented to minimize external sounds and create a quiet, serene cabin space ideal for work, rest, or entertainment. Customization is another area where the 2026 Mazda Motor Home shines. Buyers can choose from multiple floor plans including options with bunk beds, expanded galley space, or even a small mobile office for remote workers. Upholstery materials and interior color schemes can be tailored to match personal tastes. This flexibility allows owners to truly make it their own, something that has traditionally been reserved for much more expensive custom builds. Mazda has also placed a strong emphasis on sustainability. The interior fabrics are made from recycled materials without compromising on durability or style. The solar system, efficient hybrid engine, and low wastewater system make it one of the most eco-friendly options in its class. It reflects a growing trend toward conscious travel and responsible exploration. With its sharp aesthetics, high-tech features, and driver-oriented performance, the 2026 Mazda Motor Home is not just a new vehicle, it's a statement. It's for those who want to travel differently, to move freely without giving up the comforts of modern living. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway to the mountains or a month-long cross-country road trip, this motorhome offers the perfect blend of utility, luxury, and efficiency. That wraps up our full breakdown of the 2026 Mazda Motor Home. If you're passionate about innovative vehicles and want to stay updated with the newest and boldest releases, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future reviews. This is Retro Rides Review, bringing you the future of the open road, today.